Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel, Mindfulness with Pratibha. First of all, wishing you a very happy, prosperous new year. This year is 2025, and when we add all the numbers of it, like 2 plus 2 plus 5, it gives us number 9. So, number 9 represents planet Mars, and it also represents Hanumanji. And as you know, Hanumanji was also a devotee of Sri Ram. So, number 9 is all about strength, power, compassionate, and aggression. And these qualities you will see in Hanumanji also. So people who are wanting to be little aggressive, little have strength in them, little passionate about their work, want to grow in their life, they should be wearing red color, orange color, golden color, and yellow color to have lot of good things. The passion that requires the strength, the speed that they require in their work, they should be wearing these shades throughout the year. Also, those people who are lack in these things, that they don't have a lot of strength, lot of passion, they are procrastinating, they should wear these colors too. And those who are already so much of passionate, so much of strength or anger in them, then they can wear lighter shades of these colors, especially lighter shades of red, or they can wear white, or they can wear purple for that matter. So this was all about colors for number 9 people. And also, if you can wear bracelets of red jasper and red coral this year, that will be very beneficial. That will activate your root chakra, that will activate your finances, and you will get more of good blessings in this year, in financial year, if you wear these kinds of shades and bracelets in this year. And talking about this year is a year where we number 9 also represents the completion or the audit year of our work or of our behavior. When we look, that will be, that will be calculated, or that will be benefited in this year. For example, whatever work we have done in the past years, 8 years, that will be given in this year. If you have worked courageously, good, served people, did some good things, you will be benefited this year. If you have not done any of this, did some wrong things in the past years, you will be audited this year, and according to your thing, you will be getting all those things will come across your things, and which may be good, may not be so good. So always try to help people, because this number 9 is of humanity also. So when we are working towards people, adding value towards people in this year, we will be benefited for the next 8 years to come, isn't it? Because again, after 8 years, number 9 is going to come. So please work towards humanity, work towards passionate, don't procrastinate things in this year. Be good, aggressive in your work related things, be good, and also be good in your thoughts and verbal actions or verbal thing that you say to others, because it may arise some anger, and which will not be beneficial in this year, because anger, as you know, causes lot of destruction in relationships or in other things also. So avoid speaking rash, being rough to others. And also this year you may see kind of little heat in this year, because it represents number 9, and Mars also is full of heat and full of volcanic eruptions happening in that planet. So this year we may see little bit temperature rise, and also avoid rash driving this year, because it represents little bit of the things that may not be good for rash drivers, and so it may have some accident prone year. This year is also an accident prone year, so avoid rash driving and be careful on the roads when you drive. So this was all about number 9 and 2025. I hope that this year you please visit Hanumanji, chant Hanuman Chalisa throughout the year, take blessings, be calm, be supportive to each other, have humanity for each other, and we'll see that amazing things happening in 2025 if we follow all these things. Also, if you want to manifest your dreams, goals, desires in a faster way, I have come up with happy manifestation practice in this year, in this month, which will give you boost in your to achieve your goals and desire in a faster way. If you want to be a part of this, please click the WhatsApp link that I've provided in the description box so that we work together and achieve our goals in a faster way, in an amazing way. And at 2025 is just rocking, is just getting our abundance in life, having power, having lot of strength, and serving others and adding value to people's life. So with that, I end my video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.